This is a certified pre-owned 2011 BMW X6. It has a 4.4-liter, 8-cylinder engine, an automatic transmission, and all-wheel drive. Its top features and packages include the Premium Package, the Sport Activity Package, a navigation system, Bluetooth mobile device connectivity, a glass-powered moonroof, a double wishbone independent front suspension, xDrive, cornering lights, adaptive brake lights, traction control and stability control systems, and hill descent control. The following features are also included: a low tire pressure indicator, alloy wheels, cruise control, a premium sound system, interior wood trim accents, BMW individual composition, side curtain airbags, rear seat child-proof door locks, air conditioning with automatic climate control, and this vehicle has fewer than 24,000 miles on the odometer. This vehicle is sure to sell fast. Call and arrange your test drive today.
BMW of San Antonio is located at 8434 Airport Boulevard in San Antonio. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.